Hi, my name's Ella Rose and I'm a tattoo artist specialising in fine line botanicals. From my studio, I create intricate tattoos featuring plants, flora and fauna. I celebrate the results by posting them on my Instagram. Inspired by nature and floral elements, I seek to design tattoos which flow in harmony with the contours of the individual's body. Each tattoo is a unique and personal piece of art. For me, it must look like it's naturally part of the person I'm tattooing. These are illustrations that help people feel more confident and comfortable in their own skin, whether it's covering scars, decorating and celebrating their own bodies, or expressing their personalities. In this Domestika course, I'll introduce you to the world of tattooing, covering all the fundamentals and techniques behind it. For the final project, you'll create a tattoo on a piece of fruit as a substitute for real skin. First, we'll dive into the history of tattooing and its diverse styles. Next, we'll look at how tattoos work, how they're applied to the skin, and what you will need for your first tattoo kit. Then I'll share how to sketch and create a design optimized for tattooing and make a stencil to work from on a piece of fruit. After that, we'll learn how to set up your machine and workstation in a professional way. It will then be time to teach you the main tattooing techniques: lining, filling, and shading with dot work. I'll also show you how to clean up your materials and space, and the aftercare you'll need to make a tattoo last. Finally, I'll give you tips to pursue a career in tattooing. By the end of this course, you'll learn the main tattooing methods used and how to get started in this industry. To follow my steps, no prior knowledge is required, but basic drawing skills may be an advantage. You'll need tattoo equipment and materials to get started, such as a tattoo machine, needles, and ink. Start creating your own custom and unique tattoos.